I got notified by a couple people to come join the charted server. I spawned right in front of Psycho's now open horse shop, might I add, but I already kind of got a sneak peek of what happened at my base. I got notified by Reid, but I think Badmur was with it too because he kind of up arrowed it in the Skype chat. So I'm just gonna bam, and oh, okay. This is what's happening. My frame rate is super low. Granted, I'm not running on Optifine, but I think this is gonna be really. Oh my god, it's being flooded. You can even see inside the window there. Oh, there's no blocks and doors. A noise machine. They made a noise machine. That's the best you can do. Oh. Okay, first sign I see is a grammatical error or spelling error. So just shows how professional they are, guys. Yeah. Steal that. We swim up here. Oh my god. Okay, good. There are more signs. Nope. Okay, that's getting rid of that water. Oh, there's more water over there. I'm running at like 10 frames per second right here. Why are my horses jumping? Oh my god, they flooded the horse pen. Alright, let's read these signs before I destroy anything. Oh man, looks like there was a flood. You gotta save the ponies. You're right, I got it. How do I save these things though? Let's see what happens when you kidnap Badmur's villagers. So the villagers flooded this. That doesn't make sense. There's a dropper here. That's not a furnace. Flip all these off. My frames are returning. Love from Badmur and Reid. Oh, how expected. We made sure you passed Badmur's HCO test. So, yeah. So, as you can tell, there's no danger of falling anymore. That's a plus. I'd say that's a plus. There's no danger of falling. Although, there is a lack of light. Help us, says the donkeys. Oh no, and the fake donkeys. I mean chickens. I mean fake donkeys. So, yeah, there is a lack of falling, but there is also a lack of light, so I think that adds a problem onto it, so I don't really pass the test that much. Here are some goodies to help you get back on your feet inside the mule. Okay, there's a bunch of stone. Oh. Okay. Some more water right here. This is a very wacky prank, but it obviously took no effort at all. Like, come on, guys. Okay. Should be about it. I imagine there's some stuff downstairs. Oh my. They even moved my stuff. Look at this vandalism right here. A gift from Reid to make your struggle better. Literally hardly anything. Okay, thank you. You're gonna need like an easy to break block and a fast tool to break it. Okay, netherrack and a stone pick. I mean, I get the whole noise machine thing, but I don't get why they decided to flood the place. It's kind of... And just random blocks of cobblestone everywhere, too. Oh my god. These guys. They obviously have no lives. Just saying. I want to make sure I don't drown. Yeah, there's less damage, or less falling. However, there is also less light, I mentioned before. And there's an excessive, like, super excessive amounts of, drowning hazard. Yeah, drowning hazard. Oh, by the way, I was thinking of working on a music shop, so these note blocks actually, yeah, because like all the music discs I've been getting, so these note blocks actually help. Thanks, guys. Is there any stuff up top here? Oh, what do you know? My frame rate is somewhat better now. If only I had a better tool that I could use. Well, I have diamond stuff, but I want to save that. I don't want to really waste too much durability on it. Okay, now time to check downstairs. Hold your breath, everyone. These guys. Oh, there's a door, there's a door. Okay. Why is there obsidian there? Alright, I think I have a solution. So I'm gonna go head over to Infernum's base, borrow a couple sponges, and use those. Yeah, they never thought about sponges, did they? Aha! Super smart. I'll make sure to replace them. Ooh, that was nice. Smelt them back for him and replace them. What's up with all these path blocks? Oh, did he get pranked too? Okay. Well, that's a nice one, eccentric, but I came here for the sponges. I'll leave him with the gifts. Oh, take a look at that. And my portal's not put out. Okay, sponge! Aha! Sponge! Time to gather these up, smelt them, and return back. Okay, oh, I know. I'll just use the sponges. I don't need no handouts. I have sponges on my side. Boom, fixed. So one well-placed sponge. Okay. I was gonna freak out if it disappeared, like. Okay. Yeah, this should be easier. Way easier now. Thank you, Infernum, for discovering that Guardian Temple thing. Oh, did they wreck any of my redstone? I swear, if they wrecked my redstone, then that's crossing the line. You destroy that last stupid sound machine. Boom. All gone. Alright, I have a lever. Alright, that works. Aha, I hear doors. Doors clicking. Where is it? Music and sounds. Subtitles. Okay, left. Now right. See here. Door creaks. Are they inside the mountain, really? Need pick. Ah, I see a room. Here it is. Okay, there's still another noise machine out there. It's like a scavenger hunt. Okay, no, this is a different one. How clever, trying to lock me in here with your stupid noise machine. Okay, it's like right below here. It's the loudest it's been. I believe I have located the problem. Nice job, genius. Only getting one note block instead of the two that you left me here. I'm making profit already. Oh, there's another one. Okay, I believe this to be the last one. And now it's silent.
You guys thought that your noise prank was going to be all clever and stuff, but I'll have you know, I make annoying noise. I'm immune to the noise. So prepare for the storm, maggots, because payback's gonna be a bitch.